Hello and welcome to our channel, where today we're diving into the impressive features of the Drop Alt high-profile mechanical keyboard, a favorite among mechanical keyboard enthusiasts. This 65% gaming keyboard boasts a robust CNC-aluminum frame that not only adds a sleek aesthetic but also provides a thicker and heavier build, ensuring it stays firmly in place during intense gaming sessions. Equipped with Cherry MX brown switches, this keyboard offers a tactile bump and silent travel, making it perfect for both typing and gaming. One of its standout features is the hot-swappable switch functionality, allowing you to effortlessly customize your typing experience without any soldering. The Alt High Profile also shines with its fully customizable RGB backlighting and underlighting, offering millions of colors to choose from, whether you prefer a single hue or a vibrant rainbow wave pattern. With its USB-C connectivity and durable double-shot PBT keycaps, this keyboard is designed to enhance your gaming and typing experience. So, if you're looking for a keyboard that combines style, functionality, and customization, the Drop Alt High Profile is a top contender. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on future useful product reviews.